What's up, everybody? It's me, Sergio. I'm with Mobility Direct. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to answer a question that I get way too often, and it's about how I set up a trailer. Really, it's a fishing cart for the beach that you can get on Amazon, Cabela's, Outdoor World, Bass Pro Shops. People are always asking, how do I rig that up? Does it fit into the hitch receiver? No, it doesn't. And a lot of people call me a MacGyver, and well, I'm gonna show you how I do it. It's probably not the best way. If you're a welder, you could probably weld a piece of, pipe that fits right into the hitch receiver, no problem. But I'm not a welder. I don't have a welder, accessible welder here that come and do jobs like that for me. So I get it done. It's crude, but it works. Now, before I show you, I do need to tell you about our free product catalog. It has our latest products, discount codes, and a ton of information about our company. All you need to do is go to our website, mobilitydirect.com. Click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog. Fill out the simple short form and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. I'm also going to tell you that at the end of this video, if you stick around, there's going to be a little hidden message at the very end that's going to tell you how you can save big if you're thinking about purchasing any mobility products, accessories, parts, etc. So stay tuned to the end. All right, so here's the cart. That's Benji. He loves going on rides with me all the time. He literally jumps right on the floorboard. I don't even have to tell him. He's lazy. What can I tell you? So, all right, if you have a hitch receiver, you can get a cane holder attachment, which is basically like a tube, fits right in your hitch receiver. Okay. What I do is I just put like a piece of rebar. In this case, I have a little pole handle for a mini jack. But if you get yourself any kind of metal pole, stick it in there. Get some cable, wrap it around the handle of your beach cart, put the loops of the cable over the top. Just let me show you here. Okay, so I just have some cables wrapped around the handle, make a few loops, put it over the handle. It's just high enough so that thing can start rolling, okay? That's solution number one. Now, I have an African which I use to go on family rides. Very crude, not the prettiest looking thing, but I've got some electrical fencing cable, which is pretty thick gauge wire, essentially, and I attach it to the frame of the dual seat. If you have a weather canopy, you're gonna have the same thing. And basically, what I do, let me go ahead and do this here. I'm gonna rotate this. Watch out, Benji. Okay, I'm gonna put this down. Get this out of the way. Like I said, it's crude, it's not pretty, but guess what? It works. That's literally it. It's just hugging around the handles. You might want to get some thicker cable, but I've towed a 50-gallon sprayer to spray my weed lines along the fence so I don't have to weed whack my fence line, and it works like a charm, okay? So that's how you do it, folks. Now, like I said, you can laugh all you want. They call me MacGyver, and guess what? It's been working for over 2 years this way. So, hey, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. That's what my dad always said, and this is certainly working for me. I'm definitely curious to hear from you. If you've done it another way that's way better and easy, you don't need a welder, let me know. I'm happy to get some feedback. I might even adopt your suggestions. And overall, I just really appreciate your comments. If you're watching our video, I really appreciate you watching it. So again, folks, I'm Sergio. I'm with Mobility Direct. I hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, everyone, have a great day.